The blinking white light on an AT&T router indicates that it is starting up or powering up. However, if the white light blinks continuously for over 2 hours or randomly while in use, it signifies an issue with the router. Common causes of this problem include loose or faulty cable connections, outdated firmware, overheating, or the router beginning to fail. To resolve this issue, try rebooting the router by disconnecting the power cord from the back of the device, waiting about 10 seconds, and then plugging it back in. It may take around 3 minutes for the router to boot up again. Also, consider moving the router to a different location, as the area where it is currently placed may be causing it to overheat. Inspect the cables plugged into the router and reconnect any loose connections, ensuring they are pushed all the way in. If the problem persists, update the router's firmware by logging in to the web interface, navigating to the System tab, and checking for available updates. If none of these solutions work, the router is likely failing and may need to be replaced. In this case, contacting customer service may be necessary to request a replacement.